What's going on, guys? BrandedAlchemy here, and this is a kind of like a behind-the-scenes look at the making of my 25th episode of Sound Shapes the Level, and I'll be taking you through different steps of the way, and yeah, I'll let you see for yourself. Alright, guys. This is the making of, like I just said, and already I have created quite a bit of it. It is not complete, but you'll see it develop, and this whole thing will go up after the level has been released and the episode has been released. So you'll probably have already seen it complete, but this is to show you the different things that I've been changing and everything before I finally decided to release it. Now, as you can see, this is the beginning. I wanted you to start off on the letters here, and you would drop down here. I originally wanted it to be BrandedAlchemy Presents on one screen, but that didn't work out. So I had to bump it down here. And it was kind of by accident that this happened. I accidentally inverted them. Like here, you see the blue is all within the black. Over here, the blue is generally outside of the black. The black is on the inside. And I accidentally did that, and I liked it. So yeah, I kept it like that. Originally, this page wasn't gonna have presents. It had it up here. Down here was mountains. You can kind of see how there's a lump here. There was a huge mountain. And as I continued doing other pages, going back here, this looked way off. So I changed it and put the presents down here. Yeah. Over here, I'm still not sure if I'm gonna keep it. It's supposed to be like a volcano. I didn't want it to look exactly like one, but just kind of have a nice little feature, I suppose. And yeah, also, if you miss these up here, you have to restart the level to get them because you can't go back up that. I don't know if I want to keep it like that or not, though. So we will see. This here is not complete, but it just has the basis. You go up here to continue. I need to throw in something there. I'm not totally sure yet. Up here, I'm thinking maybe put some more of these down here. Yeah, continue it going up there. And yeah. Let's see. Up here, so you go through this tunnel here, and it says, for you. It's saying, this level is for you. 50 of you. Now, all the predictions, statistics and everything say that, I will hit 50 subscribers on October 2nd, along with 5,000 video views. Now, obviously, that's just a prediction. I didn't make it. I have this stat tracker thing that predicts stuff by itself, and it said all this stuff will arrive on October 2nd. And if that does, I'll keep the 50 of you in there. If not, I'll take it off. But I think we will. We're at 42 right now, and we are 1 week away. So I'm hoping that would be amazing to have 5,000 video views, 50 subscribers, and everything all in one day. But yeah, we'll continue it. My idea here is circles. As you can see, there's circles pretty much everywhere throughout here. But it changes. Like here, it started to. It went from circles to rectangles. And it'll change to triangles later. the point of that was to, show change. I wanted to show like how my channel developed and everything. I wanted to show that here as well. And just starting going about doing this, as you can see, each page generally gets better. And I like that. This, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I want to do with this. I'm not happy with it, but I don't really know what else to do here. So we'll have to see. Here, I like it okay. That's not going to be the end, that's just temporary. But yeah, this, I liked the idea, but the look, I don't really like. This may stay, may not, I'm not sure. But there's the triangles, like I said. This this is not complete. I just put down the beat, and this is where it'll end, is on this screen here. So I have a couple pages left to do. Also, this will be after it, so I can show this to you. There's a secret page, and it is right here. Hinting Season 2 on October 7th. So yeah, and there's one note there, so you have to get it to get the completion thing or whatever. So yeah, right now, obviously, I'm unaware if anyone has gotten it or not, but it's not super obvious, but I assume people that have played the game quite a bit would notice that white lump up there. But yeah, that is basically it for now. And yeah, it'll be cool to watch this back too and watch it develop and see what I've changed and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple seconds for y'all. Few days or so for me, so yeah. Alright guys, I am back. We're gonna continue working on this. Since I last left off, I have worked on it a little bit. I think we left off right about here. I've added these triangles in. I kind of wanted to do basically what I did here, just with triangles. So yeah, that's what I have come up with. Also, I did this down here. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah. I'm not sure. This here I continued working on, and it's gonna say stay awesome, and I want to work on that with you. Um, Also, what you just seen me do was this, which I'm happy with. I wasn't sure what else to put in really, just continue what I did here and move it down. So that is what I did. But I'm gonna try and finish it today. Right now we have 47 subscribers, and we are let's see, about 4 days away. So yeah, we should make it, hopefully. And yeah, we're gonna continue working on this, and I want to finish it today. This is the last page. I'm not sure if this was in there or not, but it's gonna be just say signed alchemy. I was gonna do branded alchemy, but I wanted to make it kind of fancy looking, and so yeah. And this blue strip here is just so if you fall down here, which if you fall straight down you can't fall down, but if you came over here or something and fell down, which I attempted to do it or tried to do it, and I did, so it is possible, but it's not easy to do, I guess. But if you do, you have a way to get back up. Otherwise, you can't climb back up through here, so that would be a problem. But basically, all we have left is the stay awesome part, I believe. Let's see. I don't like going back and looking at the other ones, because I feel that's also a thing. I was gonna throw that in there somewhere, but yeah. I don't know. I didn't want it anymore, so it stays there. Right below this area is the YouTube. You'll always know that. But yeah. So, oh yeah, what was I saying? I was saying I don't like going back and looking at the other things because I feel I get better as it goes on. Well, kinda. I don't like that at all. Yeah. I added in this vine right here because if you died here, that's a terrible spot to have a checkpoint because you just drop to your death. You can't climb on that vine. I attempted a million times and could not get it. But yeah. So let's take a quick look at all the other stuff. Check to see. Yeah, we look pretty good right now. So basically we have one screen left. And that is what we're gonna work on right now, I believe. I think, yeah. That's basically what we got. So I'll probably speed it up like I just did with the area right over here, if I can find it. This area. Like I sped that up like 2 seconds ago. I'll do it here. So I'll talk with you in just a second. Alright, guys. It is finished, I believe. We can take a quick look at how it'll go be played out. Start up here, and we gotta add in this for sure. That is necessary. Place that right like that. Then we drop down here. This looks alright. This as well. Has the checkpoint right there. This doesn't need a checkpoint, so that looks alright. There's a checkpoint right there. That looks good. Up here. Looks good. Good. I also added in a black edge around the blue. Makes it look a little better. There we go, like so. Checkpoint. 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 I still don't like this, but I don't know what else to do. This looks alright. I don't really like this either, but again, I don't know what else to do. This looks alright. That looks alright. I do like this. Stay Awesome by BrandedAlchemy. Yeah, I think the level is complete. Yeah. I'm really proud of this level. We added in the start, that thing there, and we had the ending already in place. It is good to go. Last thing we need to do is, of course, save it. Right there. That way, I'll show you, when we exit out, it saves this as the picture, so quit. If it'll load. There we go. See? Right like that. So yeah. Now on October 2nd, all I'll have to do is hit that little update button, and you'll be okay to play. Alright, that was the making of. I didn't include all of it, but I did include a lot of it. So yeah, if you've enjoyed, leave a like. Subscribe to see more of these videos. And I'll see you guys next season.